What's up, y'all? How y'all doing this evening? Or this morning, rather. About to go ahead and jump right into the live session, so let's go. Okay. So let's get active, man. All right. So first thing first, for the ones that would like to trade with us that do not have their account set up, we have a few tools available. If you head over to our website, profitakerseu.com, we have a free course. This free course will guide you through setting up your demo account, your live account. It also teaches you how to place, monitor, and leverage your trade setups properly to put you in the best position to win. Okay. Okay, so we want to see what's going on right here with pound CAD. There's a chance we can get a reversal right here if price rejects at these highs. So let's see, we got 12 minutes left in the close of this candle. Let's see right here if price breaks this high. And we'll check out the rest of the trade setups that we entered in the meanwhile. Let's see. That is a double top on the 1 hour. Let's see if it holds up. Pretty much this right shoulder. Let's see what happens right here. If we do get this rejection in price, we got a long ways to go. So we hit TP1 and 2 on our original trade setup with pound CAD. We got in the market here. This is our original entry. We got 100 pips. Now we're trying to see if price will reject after retesting the highs again and continue this downtrend. All right, let's see. Okay, so we got this AUD USD buy as well. Oh man, it came down but didn't quite hit our entry. Let's see. Oh no, we're in there. So let's see, we got this AUD USD buy. Let's see. This buy actually looks pretty good. Now, if we get a close above this area right here, we've been looking for these highs to be broken for a while. Price just kept fighting, rejecting. So let's see how we respond in the close of this next candle. We got 9 minutes left. Okay, so CAD JPY. Oh, look at that. Created a double bottom on the 30-minute, I believe. Yeah, cool. So right here at the 50, on CADJPY, I noticed that there was a chance that this area could be retested. So what we are going to do is go ahead and set this order up. We're going to create a limit order. So this is what I mean when I say making profits without being present. Analyze the market. We find areas that need to be retested. We set orders right there in those areas, and we just let the market come to us. Okay. Okay, let's see. So we already got 2 entries on this thing. This will be the 3rd. Let's see if this level holds. We'll take our stop loss. Let's put our stop loss beneath this low here. And let's go ahead and stretch this thing out to TP3. So for here, we got a 1 to 11 trade set up. Right here, we got a 1 to 6, and this is a 1 to 13. 3 different trade setups on one pair. So I started doing this a while back versus fighting to find other trade setups. If I'm already in a trade setup that's winning, I just monitor the way price is moving on that particular trade, and I'll add to the position because it's already a winning position. The only thing you have to do is be patient enough to wait for the pullbacks. And that's been working out for us. The past 3 weeks, man, did like over 400% all in our live sessions. So it definitely works. Definitely works. So let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and get this limit order in. I'll be right back. Let's see. CADJPY. Hour. All right, we're getting this limit order set. Let's go. The stop loss in. Okay, cool. All right, I'm going to set an alert right there at that area to see what happens if price comes to it. Again, for anybody that wants to trade, but you do not know where to start, head over to our website, profitakerseu.com, and check out our free course, our free 9-day course that teaches you how to set up your demo account, your live account, and how to place and monitor these trade setups so you can hop on with us and take advantage of these moves. Pop, pop, pop. Let's see what pound CAD is trying to do. I blended all of that shit into one word. All right. All right, it's pretty close to that entry. Oh no. All right, cool. So all positions set on this CADJPY. It's a lot of liquidity above the highs right here on pound CAD. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. We got a lot of money above these highs. So when I say liquidity, I'm referring to stop losses. So most traders, when they're looking for a sale in the market, and let's use this situation. Oh, that's a little ugly. It's okay. All right, so the price was making lower lows, right? But it's coming back to retest the same area. So what the average trader will do is they'll look at these areas and say, okay, we got valid resistance right here. So they'll take their stop losses and put their stop losses above that area of resistance. And those areas where the stop losses are placed, they work as a magnet for price. So price will always be trying to fight to get to those levels. Even if it doesn't go right at that moment, at some point it will. So what I want to see is if price is going to reject this double top right here that's right on the 382 level on the field to go to our last target, or if it's going to break above the highs. Either way, there's a way for us to execute on it. We can either leave it alone and let this sell play out, or if the highs are broken, we just wait for a retest of that 382 level and we take the uptrend. Okay. And if that happens, we already got our target set. So one thing that I started to do when I began this trading journey is to think objectively. What I mean by that is when you create your bias in the market after using technical analysis, don't marry the bias, okay? Just in case, because if the trade goes against you and price is moving relatively quick, you don't have a system or a strategy in place to take advantage of the difference in movement. So I made it a rule to pretty much always figure out what could happen just in case price goes against you. And that removes you from this one thing that used to destroy my fucking account. After I picked the trade and I believed it to be a winning setup, I would continue to sell it if it was a sale, even if I lost the damn trade, just because it's like, oh, I know it's a sale, and that shit would kill you. So being able to flow and being able to say, oh, I made a mistake, and letting it go. I really can't stress how important that is as a trader. You can't hold on to your feelings of mistakes or failure. You gotta be able to let these things go and move forward. Hey, and that's not just in trading, man. That's in life, man. You gotta learn how to cut your losses. A lot of us, man, we're struggling right now because we don't know how to cut our losses. Bad friendships, bad relationships, because you can't cut your losses. So it teaches you a lot, man. And trading is life, bro. All right, so on NASDAQ 100, same thing going here. Prices creating support right around the 786. We are actually in this buy setup still, right? Okay, yeah, we're still in this buy. We are in profit right now in this buy. This is our target. We got a double top right here on the 2-hour time frame. And I believe this is at the highs. Yeah, so here's the double top here. A double top is a reversal pattern that you typically find in the market, either at the highs or at the lows. Sometimes they fall in the middle of price, like this one right here. This is a double bottom, but they normally indicate a reversal in trend, okay? Now, go ahead and hit you with a little tip. These patterns are relative. And what does that mean? That means if you find them at a strong structural level, then they could be valid, right? But if you find them in the middle of price like this, in most cases, they're broken. Okay, so when you look for reversal patterns, you want to find it at the highs where you got a strong area that's been identified as resistance, or down at the lows. Those are the areas where those patterns will normally hold or stand true. Okay. So right now we are up on AUD USD. We are up on CAD JPY, waiting for a new entry on it. What else did we take? EA. How is it doing? And what did we take? Okay. We're in an EA sale. And a Euro CAD buy. Okay, so we're in an EA sale. From here, price hit TP1. Let's see if this area right here turns out to be a bear flag. Okay. Price did just hit the 200-day EMA and reject it right here. So there is a chance that we could see a continuation in this downtrend. So once again, we already got our target set. We'll just have to let them run. Let them run. Oh, so we were looking for a deeper pullback on pound JPY. We wanted to see this thing come all the way down to the lows. I like them hi-hats, they're going crazy. Boom, 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 boom. All right, cool, let's see. Now I was waiting to see what was going to happen with pound AUD. Uh-oh, put that back. I don't know what that's for. Let's see. Okay, yeah, because we got this entire channel. It's a downward channel going on right here. What I wanted to see is if price will break beneath the lows right here, or if it would establish support. So right now we got price trading in range in this area. Let me go to the daily really quick. Yeah. Yeah, so just looking at the higher time frames, this entire area right here is a valid area of support. Okay. So we could see a bounce from this level, right? It's a possibility, but the possibility of the fall is also there. And if we look at all of the EMAs, price is definitely still in a bullish sentiment. I'm sorry, a bearish sentiment on the daily. The daily, the 4 hour, the 2 hour. So what we will do is just trap price, okay? So find and identify range. This will be one of your biggest tools as a trader, honestly. Learning how to identify the different phases of the market. Being able to clearly spot when you have an uptrend, a downtrend, or when the market is consolidating. So you got a lot of fancy shit that some traders do. Okay, a lot of fancy little indicators. But from my experience, man, all of these indicators, they happen after price move. Okay, so they are lagging. The ability to use fundamental approaches with your technical analysis will put you in a much better position. So learning how to trade using price action and not all of this fancy shit. Now you do have some bots that may work, but all bots come with a system created by a person. So you'll still have to understand the system in order to use the indicator properly. So stop cheating yourself, looking for the easy way out, and just study this shit. Let's study price action. All right, so now that we got price trapped right here within range, we got two really simple rules. We're going to place an alert above price, and we're going to place an alert below price. Now, what we want to see is which side price will actually break out to. Do we care? Not at all. Excuse me. Because we can take advantage of it no matter what happens, okay? So we just need to let it work. Ooh. Okay, it looks like we're getting a little rejection right there at that double top. Really need to wait until this candle plays out. Now, ain't that something? Did that? Oh, okay, it activated. Okay, so we also took this USD JPY buy limit order from here. Man, that's dope. So this trade setup activated for us. Let's see how it plays out. All right, man. Early morning, we got big wins, man. Let's go. Win. Yeah. Yes, sir. So, oh, shit. Y'all gotta forgive me, man. I'm a music nerd, bro. I love that beat. Yeah, so we got a couple wins this morning. We let the smoke go. Big wins. Let's do it again. Win. Yeah. All right, so we want to monitor these setups, okay? Because another aspect of trading that is not talked about is actually managing the trades. So what happens after you get into a winning trade and price starts to move? What the fuck do you do next? And that's the part that kills a lot of people. So a big part of joining these live sessions is not just about how to find a trade setup, but also how to manage that trade, protect yourself, what you could possibly do if that trade goes against you, and just different things to keep in mind as you approach trading. All right, so same thing going on with pound USD that we had with pound AUD. We got price moving in range, okay? Okay, looks like I didn't set the alerts. So same thing here. Let's get these alerts set so we can figure out what's going on. So we've been doing more reactionary trading. We wait until the market tells us what she wants to do. And then after all is revealed, we move right along with her. Boom, boom, boom. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Okay, let's see. Why is that showing like that on Facebook? All right, need to make sure I get that right next time. Why is that showing like that on Facebook? All right, need to make sure I get that right next time. Hey. All right, cool. So we got our alert set on pound USD to let us know when we got a break of range. All right, cool. So we got our alert set. Pound CAD is moving steady with that reversal. Let's go. Win. Yeah. So the purpose of this, the true purpose is just to show you guys, man. Yes, we have courses. Yes, we want to teach and educate the world and give you an opportunity to break away from those jobs and get that financial freedom that you're looking for, as well as that time freedom, right? But we got a lot of people that put a stain on the name of trading, especially Forex. So we do these live sessions just to show you that this is not a game, okay? This shit is real, and it's easy to follow when you're starting if you are with the right people, okay? This shit is real, and it's easy to follow when you're starting. So moving forward, yes, I will continue to do these live trading sessions. Part of the time will be in our live free groups. The other time will be for the VIP members only. But definitely take advantage of the time that you have while you can. Live free groups. The other time will be for the VIP members only. But definitely alert right here. The time that you have while you can. Yeah, this 45, well, this next hour will be important on USD JPY, so let's check that out. Next hour will be okay, so here we go. Now, Euro USD was the first thing to break out of range, okay? Now, what we want to do now is see if we can catch a retest out of 50, okay? What we want to do now is see if we can catch a retest of 50. Okay? Hey. Hey. Ooh, that beat so motherfucking smooth. All right, so we got a 1 to 3. That's another rule for us. Right here we see risk reward ratio. If you do not see a 3 or higher, we do not take that trade set up. Got a 1 to 3. That's another rule for us. Right here we see risk reward ratio. If you do not see a 3 or higher, we do not take that trade set up. Okay, let's go. All right, we got to break the highs on S&P 500. All right, we got to break the highs on S&P 500. 13 minutes left. Boom, boom, boom. 13 minutes left. Hey. All right, let me move the stop loss deeper into profit. All right, let me move the stop loss deeper into profit. Let's see. All right, let me move the stop loss deeper into profit. Let's see. All right, cool. So we'll be back and check on this in the next 12 minutes. But what we want to see, of course, is a continuation of this uptrend. So we'll be back. This is absolutely beautiful. In the next 12 minutes. This thing just dropped and hit our zone. Of course, is a continuation of this uptrend. So we'll be back. This is absolutely beautiful. That is so cool. This thing just dropped and hit our zone. So this is what I mean, profits without being present, man. You just wake up and you're 40 plus pips in profit on the indices from a limit order, man. Look at that thing. That thing dropped and hit our entry perfectly. Can't get any better than that. From a limit order, man. Look at that thing. That thing dropped and hit our entry perfectly. Can't get any better than that. And this is the play out of the example that I was showing you guys. So we had these rejections right here creating relatively equal lows. People looked at that as support. What did they do? Place their stop losses all in that area. And then the market woke them up with a headache. This wick fell. They yelled, "Give me that shit." Took all of their money and went in the opposite direction. Now I was a victim of this for years until I figured out what they were doing. But it came to me. If the market is man-made, there's definitely a chance that it's man manipulated. And in figuring out the manipulation, I figured out consistency. Definitely a chance that it's man manipulated. And in figuring out, damn, that tea good. Manipulation, I figured out consistency. Shit. That is man manipulated. And in figuring out, damn, that tea good. All right. Hey. Oh, man. Did this stream fade on Facebook? Oh, man. Oh, that's whack. Did this stream fade on Facebook? It's all good. Figure this thing out. It's all good. Figure this thing out. Okay. It's all good. Okay. No. Okay. Let's go check out gold. Okay. Now look at gold. We got an entry on gold. We were looking for a buy. This thing came really close and then turned around and said, "Not today." Got an entry on It's all good. We'll still leave it and see how it turns out, see how it plays out. All right, so right now all of our positions are in profit, man. We got a really profitable morning going on. So I say let's go ahead, shut this shit down, enjoy our wins while we up. Big wins, let's go. And from here, let's just come back later on this evening to see how everything plays out and figure out how we're going to respond to the rest of the week. All right, so thank you guys for jumping on and figure out how we're going to respond. For those who want to trade, you don't know where to start, head over to our website, profitakerseu.com, and check out our free courses. We got our free 9-day course that shows you how to set up your demo account, your live account. Teaches you how to place, monitor, and properly leverage your trade setup, so when you get in these sessions, you're able to make money with us for free. Okay, it's my gift to the world. We also have structure breaking. This is the biggest gem of our company. This thing helps you align your mind, your heart, and your feelings in order to create the life that you truly desire. And to go along with this beauty, we have our 6-week journal, okay? So after you learn how to visualize and see it, you use it in unison with writing to speak it, to help manifest at a more rapid rate. Outside of that, we have our books available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results, and our trading log books. These will help you not only track your trades, but your emotions as you execute as well. Outside of that, we got the merch. Y'all support the dream of the team, all right? And remember, you guys, that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same? And this is your fucking affirmation right here. When you wake up, you tell yourself this shit. This is your fucking affirmation right here. Speak it into existence.